Hey everyone, Rarity Dash here. Time for another Patreon-sponsored blind reaction. And this one comes to you courtesy of the Last Chimera, who has requested that I react to more Bee and Puppycat. This time it's episodes 5 and 6, Birthday Game. So, yeah, it's going to be someone's birthday. I would guess either Bee or Puppycat. They'll probably be over Puppycat, I would think. Just because Puppycat... No, I guess it could be either. I don't know. We'll see. But, yeah, guessing it's going to be one of the two main characters. Though it could be a side character, I don't know. And there's going to be some kind of game going on, which could be pretty much anything. Yeah, just some kind of game. So we'll have to see what that is. And hopefully it's a good episode. Let's get started and find out. And here we go. From creators to you. Bee and Puppycat. Birthday game. Oh. Okay. Are we starting with the weirdness?
Don't be sad, I'm still your dad.
Okay.
Be there if I could.
Aw. Where's their dad?
I sure hope that you're not broke. Things been running good.
About that.
Always be in your memory.
Huh?
Today, I just wanna say,
Now I'm very curious.
way to go.
Sticky.
Keep it on going. Have a happy
Wow.
birthday.
Okay, so it is Bee's birthday. So, that's what I would have figured, I think.
Hey!
I was guessing it would be her.
It's my birthday. I'm trying to get my birthday candy out of my dad box.
Okay. Yeah.
Well,
Explain.
it's a box my dad made me.
Yeah?
See, check this out. I love you, Bee.
I love you, Bee.
Interesting.
Puppycat is cute.
I'm very curious about
Cat is
Bee's
cute.
family history.
Poop, my poop.
That doesn't seem like a normal box.
Gross.
Yeah.
So I wouldn't be lonely on my birthday. Every year on my
Who is your
birthday,
dad, though?
Dad box gives me a candy.
Yeah.
Fine.
This is weird. Aw, that's nice of you.
I find stuff in the couch to eat.
Wow.
Then I nap
Of course.
until I get a headache.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh.
Well, me and Dad had kind of a thing we did. It involves leaving the apartment, though.
Can't do that. Oh.
Yeah? Let me get my raincoat.
Nice.
Here you go, rain boots.
Cute.
This is where we used to go every year for my birthday.
Glitch
It
Gorge.
looks different. Ah! Ah! Let's go inside.
Oh. Yeah. Oh.
After you.
Not gonna stop Bee.
Why are you walking like that? Oh, my dad made some of these games.
Huh?
Hmm.
Game designer? Game.
Oh, sorry.
You're not wondering how you made that box that floats candy.
Hello.
Oh.
Welcome to Glitch Gorge.
Let's play some games.
Which hamster can kiss the best? Move it, shake it.
Okay,
I'm gonna kiss
that's
that
a game.
hamster so hard.
What?
I'm gonna babysit
I-
this kid so good, you're not gonna know what. I'm gonna fill up so many workspace water coolers, you're not gonna know.
Very creative game designer.
Oh, this is the best game. My dad came
Just
up with
ignore
it when I
all
got
those-
sick. It used to be in our apartment. I played it
All those letters.
Stop. But he moved it out when I stopped going outside. Let's
Wow.
play. Here. Oh, maybe the rest of these are candy? Oh, yeah. Oh, they're candy. Mmm. Oh, well. Let's go home. Well, yeah.
Oh. Yeah. You have no shortage
I'll work
of
on my birthday.
Wow. I mean, that's fair.
Can you say that more birthday-y?
Wow. Just no. Oh, okay, here we go. Can't say no to this.
Wow. I didn't think you'd do that. This one.
Insert coin. Adventure awaits. Help me fill my dark heart with stars.
Yeah. Yeah! This is gonna be awesome!
Insert coin.
Whoa, this is one of my more fun birthdays. Yeah, even though I'm gonna go work. Ah!
Oh.
My photograph! Whoa, that was close.
Okay. He looks normal.
I feel kind of bad having so much fun on my birthday.
Incoming.
Hi, Tempot.
Oh, Puppycat. And the other one. You look very happy today.
No, I'm fine. It's just my birthday isn't turning out like it usually does. I'm supposed to be sleeping all day, but we tried to go play video games, and...
Oh, I have a video game job for you. Maybe there will be cake.
Open
Okay,
up! Open
cake
up,
is nice.
Open up! Let's go!
Blah.
Clouds. Hey, wait for me!
Oh. Cloud World. Too chubby to fly.
Ah.
Choose character.
You played this game?
That's weird.
Wait, don't help me. I want to beat this on my own.
Cloud World, our world. For centuries we lived a peaceful life. Our hope for getting back our peaceful lives was almost gone. When suddenly, a hero arrived.
What's going on?
Ah, there you are. The prophecies were true.
Yeah, they were.
And what is your name, great hero?
Wow. Wow. Wow.
I got a fox! What a beautiful name! And what is your sidekick called?
Let me choose, Puppycat, please. It's my birthday.
I'm sure.
Barf!
Wow.
A true heroic name.
Elder!
What is it, young Tom?
It's the eye, Elder. It's staring again.
Yes, I know.
Yeah?
It's been there for centuries.
The thing is, it's really creepy.
It is.
Makes my skin crawl. Ugh.
Yeah, so I got a fart. You have to destroy the eye. It's your quest.
Oh,
Probably gonna laugh every time
this
they say
sounds like
that.
a really hard job. It's like destroying a whole planet. I want to do something easy. It's my birthday, you know. Yeah, side quests. Or whatever.
I got a side quest for you.
Oh.
Could you hand me that shovel?
Okay.
I could try.
Wow.
What?
Oh.
Whoa. This side quest was perfect. And I was good at it.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was an A+. 10 out of 10.
Oh.
Seriously, that was great. Now, about the main quest.
Are there any more side quests?
Okay.
Sure.
I mean, this is how it always goes.
First, if you like.
Could you deliver this to my girlfriend? I mean, fiance?
I can do that. I can do that really well. You can trust me with your big meat. This meat has a bone in it. Should I give that to her too? What kind of meat is this? Here I go.
Yes,
Do you
thank you.
know who his girlfriend even is? Might want to ask for more specifics. Okay, I guess just assume. Okay. Wonderful.
Puppycat, these people need me. I'm the only one that can help them. Okay, see you soon!
Ah, the legendary barf in my honky tonk. What would you like, sugar?
Oh. Yeah, I gotta go for the meat. Oh, wow. Okay.
How do you like my gear? Well, I'm gonna definitely do it once I'm all done with all the side quests.
Yeah, I mean, eventually you run out.
I'm so powerful.
Usually.
There's no way I'll fail.
Yeah.
Puppycat.
Oh. Okay. How did you get that? Oh, I guess you said you were here before. You worked there before.
Dad, I know I'm an adult now, but I haven't had a good birthday since you've been gone till today. I
Aw.
usually try to sleep to avoid thinking about it. I'm having fun now, though, even though I miss you.
Puppycat, your shoulders are so hard, like stale bread.
Elder, the eye is winking at me.
Oh, wow.
Whoa,
Well,
our hero
that was
did it.
easy.
Everyone cheer!
See? Isn't this game great? And that's just the tutorial.
Yeah, it's great. Now let's go. You're meeting my parents today.
Okay, you ready?
Okay. Dancing. Alright, well that was interesting. I don't
And
know.
now a special look at Bee and Puppycat Lazy in Space coming in 2019.
Oh, okay, well. 2019. This is the one that's going to be on TV, though, right? Oh, except the animation looks better, which I guess makes sense. And it looks cool. I'll definitely probably be watching that. Lazy in Space. It's a great, yeah, great title. But yeah, there we go. That was interesting. That was a good episode, I would say. And it really raised a lot of questions about Bee and her history, or past, her dad. I mean, this box, it doesn't seem normal exactly. It the technology involved, it seems more like the kind of stuff we're getting with Puppycat and all that stuff. So, who was her dad and what happened to him? I mean, the implication is he's not around anymore. He probably is dead, but what was he? Was he involved in this kind of stuff like she is now? Is there more of a history and more of a lineage to Bee doing this than we might think? Because, I mean, it just seemed like she was randomly selected. She just randomly ran into Puppycat and then got wrapped up in this. But is there more to it? I'm beginning to think there might be after this one. And, yeah, I'm wondering if we'll go back to this, if we'll learn more about her history. Kind of hope so. I mean, even the games look they just seem kind of weird and just not normal. So I don't know, but I mean, the picture he looks like a normal guy, but I mean, Bee looks relatively normal too, and she's involved in all this stuff. So, yeah, interesting. Definitely does a lot to add a bit of mystery to the character. And then, yeah, the game world was kind of an amusing idea. Just commentary on like RPG type games where, or I guess not just RPGs, but any game of like side quests where you just do that constantly, do all the side quests, and then do the main mission. Which is, I mean, that's how I play. But it's not really because I'm afraid of doing the main mission. It's just because I want to get to all the content. I want to make sure I see everything the game has to offer. So, kind of different than I think Bee's motivation here, where she just seems a bit anxious about failing. But yeah, I think that's something a lot of people who game are all about. They just got to get to everything, get to all the side quests for whatever reason. And definitely what Bee was feeling there. Though, apparently Puppycat had already done all these side quests because he's got that max save. I don't know. And we just completely obliterated that eye thing. So, cool. Very, very interesting episode. I don't think I have much left, so should be finishing Bee and Puppycat fairly soon. But yeah, another enjoyable one. Anyway, hope you liked the reaction. Let me know if you did, and see you in the next one.